Yo, what's up, guys? This video, I'm going to show you how to cash out some of those perk points, instant PayPal cash every single day for running some of those perk applications you have or perk websites. This is perk.com. But before we get into that, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that green Money Made Easy button in the bottom right hand corner of the video. Also, ring that bell icon so you can get notified when I upload videos like this. So this is perk.com. Link will be in the description. Also a perk referral code. So if you have not signed up yet for a perk, go ahead and put that referral code in on any one of perk applications or websites, and you should receive additional points for signing up, and so should I. This is perk.com. Once you go to perk.com and you have some perk points in your perk balance, which is located right here, guys, as you can see, I have 1754. For PayPal instant PayPal cash that you can get every day, you need at least 500 perk points. So at the home page of perk, you would click on rewards, and then they have a tab right here that says instant PayPal cash. You click on that, it's going to take you to this page. So I'm going to cash this out, guys, but I have to pause this because they're going to ask for your address, phone number. I don't want that on the video, so bear with me here for 1 second. Okay, guys, see, I just cashed out here, and I have received $1 here straight to my PayPal, guys. And I'm going to go to my PayPal and show you guys this, but I'm going to pause this for a second so I can log in. Okay, guys, so I'm in here in my perk account, and as you can see, I just received $1 from perk.com. It is that simple, guys. Just go ahead, download some of the applications I mentioned in the previous videos, and start making some easy perk money PayPal cash every single day, guys. $30 to $60 a month for free. Now, I know what you're saying. You might say that's not a lot of money, but it is completely free and can be used to multiply the money, guys. That's the main point. It is free money, and you can use it to do bigger and better things. So bear with me and keep that in mind, guys. Hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell icon. And until the next time, make some money easy. Peace out.